What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and this time we're going to be making a custom airbox and feed for my induction kit. This is going to be a long process, trial and error, so stay tuned and let's get into it. This is a rough drawing I did of what goes behind the bumper, and yeah, so hopefully I can put this together and see what happens. Alright, this is the so far progress of the cardboard mock-up. So obviously this is where the air goes in, and it's supposed to like go up and then right, up and then to the side so that it matches the filter. This whole piece here isn't gonna be here, it's gonna be like diagonal. So it goes up like that and then up like that here as well, and then the box just like surrounds it, and then there'll be like an open top for the hood scoop. This piece here will be going in this little space here, and it will like scoop up towards the filter. Okay, so now I'm having some fitment issues. My original plan was to take it through the box and then like go at an angle up into here, but it's looking like I'll have to go straight up, and then I'll cut a hole in this little section here, and it'll go up and then through here. So I'll like put this at an angle so that it directs to the filter. So let's try that and see how it goes. Right, so I've now fitted it. It's gonna go in a bit of a zigzag, but here is where it enters the actual airbox, so through the side here, and then it goes in, and then here. So now I just need to close up the bottom and the back, and then the bottom side's all set, and then I just need to work on the hood scoop. There's the airbox. Now I just need to make the base, and then this will be all done. There's the slot for where the air goes in, and this surrounds it, and then that'll be that. Alright, that's the base done. Not sure what I'm going to do about the front because I'm having some fitment issues. This side here is rubbing against the headlight, and I think the front here was touching the, yeah, it's touching the screen wash cap. So it's getting dark now, so I'll call it a night, but see what I can do about that tomorrow. The plan for this is to use these two grills. I'm going to make a mock-up out of cardboard first, so that I know what it is that or how to make it, what shapes and dimensions and whatnot. I actually drilled out behind the badge. I'll switch it to the flash in a sec so I can show in a sec. But yeah, this is all hollowed out, and so is this. So as you can see, behind the badge, you have the radiator there, and manifold on this side. For this grill, you have the manifold, which is why here is usually blanked off so it doesn't carry the heat from that. But yeah, so from here I am going to make a feed that goes straight to the filter and houses it so it's nice and cool, and obviously utilizes these grills, because right now they're not really doing much because of how far offset they are to the filter. You can get an idea by seeing where the hood scoop is because it's directly on top. But yeah, so this will just utilize these two spaces and make the airflow more efficient and direct. Having some fitment issues with the box. The bottom of it's a bit too deep, so I need to shorten that, and then I'll be able to fit into the space here. So I just chopped that. Still can't quite get it in because of the oil cap. So I'm gonna just chop this little bit here and see if that's enough to slide it in. Still having fitment issues with this gap below, so I'm gonna cut the rest out and see how it fits. Running out of sunlight now, but I finally got it to fit. It's literally sitting on the oil cap, so I'm gonna have to put like some sort of cushion to stop it from rubbing. But yeah, I'm just making a little scoop from the hood scoop, which basically directs the air straight to the filter. This will go down straight and it will literally be on top of the filter, so I'll see about sealing this all up just in case any air goes in that direction. But other than that, I think, oh no, wait, I need to sort out the feed going to the box through this little corner here. It's pretty much done. Just need to finalize it and then we can flip and make the real thing. Made a couple mistakes with the hole for the bottom intake as I flipped it over, but that's through. Just to make sure that it doesn't rub on it, I just cut a hole for the screen wash cap as well. It doesn't really matter that much because it's going to go in this way. It will just go sort of in the direction of that corner before it gets there, or if it's get sucked up by the filter. But yeah, hood scoop, mock-up's done. What's left now is to sort out this corner and connect it to that. Right, so here we have it. All lined up pretty much. At the back here, we just got this little flap to close it. I still need to make this side here, which is going to cause a lot of, well, I've done the bottom half, but I need to sort out this bit here, which is going to cause a lot of hassle when it comes to actually fitting it, because this top bar here doesn't actually come off. It's a solid piece of the frame, so that's good to know. It's great actually. Now that I finished the mock-up out of cardboard, I'm going to use this piece of acrylic and other pieces if I need, because I've got some others, like the acrylic from the custom splitter series. If any of you guys saw that, don't watch it. Actually watch it to give me views, but it's not actually, it didn't actually, it actually was a total flop. I I will release part 3 at some point to explain why the car no longer has a splitter. Yeah. Anyway, gonna use acrylic. So now I need to separate this up into flat pieces so that I can mark them all out and then start cutting. All the pieces are chopped up and separated now, so now to get drawing on the acrylic sheet. And I'll see if I run out or not. If I do, then I'll just use another sheet that I've got. Let's do this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @thatsilveraygo, and I'll see you guys in the next video.